Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic is Alaska Airlines travel insurance worth buying? Well, you probably spent a good deal of time and effort searching to get the right flight for your trip, but at the checkout from Alaska Airlines purchase page, they probably offered you a single choice of insurance. In all probability, it's going to be expensive and not cover what you need. Our advice is to take a look at a travel insurance marketplace like AARDY and shop around to get the right plan for your needs at the best possible price. And here's the thing, it'll take you less than 2 minutes to get a completely anonymous quote and let you compare and contrast what your airline or travel site is offering you. So let's use a real example. This is Alaska Airlines travel insurance. The search parameters here are one traveler spending $5,000 on a trip between the 1st and the 15th of October. So this Alaska Airlines policy will cover you if you get laid off work, but not unless you've worked for your company for 3 continuous years. It also won't cover you if your company needs you to cancel your vacation for a work reason. This is where a cancel for work reason cover would help. Now, it's not that we're saying that the Alaska Airlines insurance is bad, but just it probably makes sense to spend a couple of minutes shopping around to get the best cover for your needs at the best possible price. And looking at the Alaska Airlines coverage limits, they're not extensive and the policy is not cheap. For our search parameters for just one traveler, their plan is $482. So if we run the same quote on AARDY, the cheapest quote for the same search parameter starts in at $161, but not every policy is the same. The most comparable quote from AARDY is probably the iTravel Insured Travel Light product, which comes in at $181. Now this is on the exact same quote criteria. That's $300 cheaper than the Alaska Airlines plan. So let's AARDY compare some of the main coverages that most travelers need. They are trip cancellation, trip interruption, medical cover, and medical evacuation. Now, the Alaska Airlines policy covers trip cancellation to 100% of the trip cost, same as the AARDY plan. Alaska Airlines also covers trip interruption to 100% of the trip cost, whereas our plan, that's 125%. Alaska Airlines will cover just $10,000 of medical bills if you get ill whilst on vacation, whereas the AARDY plan, well, let's just go and add another 0 to that number to give you $100,000. And finally, the Alaska Airlines will give you $50,000 of medical evacuation cover. On the AARDY plan, well, let's go and add $200,000 to that figure for a cool $250,000 of medical evacuation cover. And like Alaska Airlines plan, it also provides if you're laid off work. But unlike Alaska Airlines, where you have to work with your employer for 3 years, with the AARDY plan, it's only 1 year. And it also covers you if your firm needs you to cancel your trip for a work reason, which the Alaska Airlines plan does not. And let's remind you of the price. The Alaska Airlines plan offering substantially inferior cover for $300 more. And that's just a quote for one person traveling. Now imagine you're traveling with your whole family. So ask yourself, do you still want to buy your travel insurance from Alaska Airlines? Our advice at AARDY is before you buy a travel insurance policy from your airline or travel agent, to shop around and see how much you can save on a product that's right for you. Well, thanks for watching the AARDY YouTube channel for travel tips, and remember, insurance plans in the US are filed, including the price, so you can't and won't find the same plan cheaper anywhere else. Safe travels.